lot of water, a lot of hail. A lot of water.
I can't see. Wow. Hey everybody, good morning. It's Dave here. Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to Holiday for Two. This is Labor Day weekend and we're spending the weekend up in Prescott, Arizona. And it's kind of funny because my last video was probably about tires. And I gotta share something with you. We have, our motorhome has dualies on the back. And I think I made a mistake. I'll show you why. I bought these extenders to put on my dualies. And I'm now thinking it's probably not a good idea. The only reason I put these on my tires was so that to make it convenient to put air in them at when we take them into the tire shop. But honestly, I'm rethinking this because this is the second one. Let me show you here. I got it in my hand. I don't know if you can see that. This is my extender. This is the new one I just put on. This part goes on the tire and this part connects up to the hub on the hubcap. And they either didn't put them on real tight and they came loose while we were driving, and or something. They're just faulty, one or the other, and it sheared off and then it leaked air. So the new tires that I bought on the way up from Phoenix last night, we realized one of the tires was flat. It was this one down here. It was the driver's side on the back end, and somebody was pointing down as we were driving up the road, I-17 from Phoenix, in the middle of a rainstorm. Heavy rainstorm, thunderstorm, wind, you name it. Traffic moving 5 miles an hour. And they were pointing to my tire and said, "Your tire's flat, your tire's flat." So I pulled off the road, and sure enough, it looked like it was low. And I thought, these are new tires, why are they low? Well, then when we got up to Cordis Junction, a few miles up the road, I pulled off at the service station, got some gas, checked them again, and sure enough, they were flat. This one, just one tire. So luckily they had an air pump there. I put some air in it up to 60 pounds and took this off. So it looks like it's okay this morning. If you put these on your dualies, I don't recommend them. This is the second time I've had this happen. The first set I bought did the same thing, but it didn't leak air out of the tire. I lost my tire pressure monitor, and I lost it on this one too last night. So that's 2 tire sensors that I've lost due to these things. So anyway, we're good now. I had 4 new tires put on, and I thought, have a flat tire already? That's crazy. So I'm going around checking everything. The rest of them look good. It's just kind of funny because I hear my last video was talking about tires. This is Labor Day weekend, so hopefully we'll get out, and there's supposed to be an arts and crafts show this weekend. It's downtown in Prescott at the courthouse, so we'll probably go down there and check that out. Coming up from Phoenix last night on I-17, wow. My wife Tammy took some video, so I'll insert a little video of the rainstorm. It was crazy. And you know, on Friday nights coming up from Phoenix to the mountains, because on a long weekend like Labor Day weekend, Memorial Day weekend, 4th of July weekend, it is always busy coming up from Phoenix. And so on Friday night, that's kind of like the time that everybody in town leaves and tries to get up to the mountains. And so it's not unusual to run into some traffic, but it was heavy. And I think what happened was, somewhere up around Sunset Point, there was a semi rolled over, and as we were driving by, we could see the semi off to the left side on the freeway. You could see the semi rolled over. I don't know if the wind blew him over, or I don't know if he was trying to avoid an accident and wound up flipping over on his side, but I think that's what held up the traffic. And so just one of those crazy weekends. But we're up here now, but it's already getting a little bit warm here. It's supposed to be 108 in Phoenix this weekend. All right, well, hopefully we'll get a chance to go downtown and check out some of the arts and crafts show. And I just want to show everybody here. I want to show you something, because the last video we did up here was on what was it, Memorial Day weekend in May. And I remember showing everybody, let me I don't know if you could look behind me. I remember showing everybody the grass from Memorial Day weekend, how brown everything was. And you can see behind me how green everything is. So that's how much rain we've been getting. Last night, it was crazy. Coming up from around Black Canyon City, north of Phoenix. It blew, I think it was hailing, because it blew so hard that we could feel the motorhome rocking as we were on the freeway. I'm thinking, oh no, we're going to get blown over or something. But I wonder if that's maybe what happened to the semi. Maybe the wind blew them over, because it was a bad storm. And we get those bad storms like that. I would say the winds were probably 45, 50 mile an hour winds blowing from the side. And look, see how green it is. And a little humid, not bad. It's probably like 72 right now. Well, it's nice, be a good weekend.
So someday when my ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two.
That's pretty.
Oh, here's a smaller one.
Well, that's okay. I get a picture of that.
Yeah. No.
All right, get your K9 cool hats here. Aw, that's for dogs.
The rest of them are in there. He's the top. Those are the losers back there.
He's top dog today.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I'm sleeping. Let me sleep. Joey.
It's only, there's only like this much, and you actually
Freeze-dried candy.
have space for writing on.
Freeze-dried.
I wonder what a freeze-dried bit of honey tastes like.
Far different place than most people think. Tombstone had limited electricity. They had telephones, ice cream parlors. It also had lots and lots of tailors and dress shops and seamstresses and companies specializing in custom boots, shoes, and hats. Fabric would be shipped from the East Coast, along with paper patterns, so that the well-to-do townspeople could sport the latest. Is the circus then? It looks beautiful on the outfit from one of the clowns. That is the ugliest shirt I have ever seen.
ALTO PIT OHV. Campground pool. Wow. There's the host. Park here and get a picture of the sign. There's our camp spot. That's number 2. Where the Freedom Movie is. Not a bad little spot. Definitely doable. Spot 4. Spot 3. You're gonna do a little four-wheeler with your world.
No kidding.
Spot 5. That's kind of a pull-through spot. Oh, I see somebody coming back. One way. Park exit and camp units.
Wow.
bang, bang. Yeah. Not a real RV. Kind of friendly. It's okay for maybe a toy hauler or something. If you got a trailer with a tent and all that kind of stuff. At least get back in here.
No. For that, they're gonna have people with rigs coming in here.
Yeah, I think that's probably the whole point. This is like if you're here to ride, you brought a little quad or dirt bikes and stuff. Let's see, that's not a bad spot. That's doable. 10 and one way. These bumps though on the motorhome would be kind of like dish rattling.
Yeah.
It's a big.
I could hear cursing already.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Now we know.
We saw what we wanted to see. Well, we had a great Labor Day weekend in Prescott, Arizona, and I especially wanted to come out and check out the ALTO PIT OHV Campground area. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that little bell so you'll be notified when I put out my next video. Now, ALTO PIT OHV area, located about 6,200 feet elevation, is about 15 minutes west of Prescott, Arizona, along Iron Springs Road. You're going to look for a sign that'll say ALTO PIT OHV area off to the right. And then you turn, and there's campground areas, riding areas. There is a daily fee. And of course, it does say the limit is 50-inch vehicles or width of 50 inches or less. However, I did see a few larger quads or a few larger razors and vehicles there. There is a spot where you can put fees there in the box if nobody's there to collect. There is a campground host. So have fun if you go out and check it out. And of course, as always, be safe wherever you're traveling. Get out and enjoy the beautiful country. It's beautiful out there. This is Dave saying have a great day. Bye.